This is Cheryl walking through some nature. She comes equipped for her hiking with her new Coach bag, Tiffany sunglasses, and Adidas shoes. Can we see the shoes again?
Oh, sorry.
Adidas shoes. Say goodbye, Cheryl.
Bye, Cheryl. We've been walking for days. Okay, maybe not days. Maybe like, I don't know, an hour and a half. Now we're in the middle of this meadow. Scott's there in the distance. Hold on, let's zoom in. He's waving. See, he's trying to attract planes, but no one's coming. Oh, I'm not really sure what to do. I guess we'll just keep on walking. If we upload this, that means that we've made it back to civilization. What was that? I just heard something in the woods. I'm so scared right now. Okay, now.
Civilization at last. We're here.
Woo! Look, there's cars. Okay, I got steps here. Someone help me. Alright. Oh, I think we made it. Yes, I think we did. There's people on a bike route. We made it out alive.
Over here on the left.
Over here.
We want a car.
Yay! Hello, car.
Hello, car.
Let's go hug the car.
Yeah, that's it.